We spend thousands of hours testing home security cameras hands-on. So we've been able to find the best security cameras for specific lifestyles and scenarios. We've done the research and testing to compile the best options for your needs. Find out which cameras on our list are truly wireless, which ones you can use indoors and outdoors, and what smart features each offers in our security camera reviews. Number 1. Ring Spotlight Cam Battery. Connect your Ring camera with Alexa, then enable announcements to be alerted when motion is detected. Talk to visitors through compatible Echo devices by saying, "Alexa, talk to the front door." Lets you see, hear and speak to visitors from your phone, tablet and PC. Powered by the quick-release rechargeable battery pack. With a Ring Protect plan, record all your videos, review what you missed for up to 60 days, and share videos and photos. Monitors your home in 1080 HD video with infrared night vision and live view. Includes built-in LED light strips and a siren. Includes lifetime theft protection. Number 2. Swan Home Security Camera System. This wired security system delivers reliable home, office and retail protection 24/7. Have peace of mind knowing that if something happens you will always have video evidence. Store months of video footage onto the massive 1 TB hard drive with no additional costs, and upload footage to the cloud by linking your DVR to your own Dropbox account. This professional quality DVR security system detects moving warm objects, like people and cars, triggering recording and push notifications so you can act immediately to prevent unwanted activity. Not only do our security cameras have your back, we do too. Everything you need to get started is in the pack, including cables, mouse, stickers and accessories. Number 3. Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera. Arlo's Essential Security Camera records video in 1080p for a clear picture and see more of your property thanks to the wide 130 degrees viewing angle. Hear and speak to visitors that you're with clear, two-way audio and can be easily used as a baby monitor with camera and audio. Simplify your home security system by utilizing Arlo's Wi-Fi camera capability to connect directly to your Wi-Fi for fast, wire-free installation with no hub required. Easily place your wireless indoor and outdoor security camera on a shelf or screw it onto a wall. To charge, just remove the battery and place it into the charging station. Includes a 3-month trial of Arlo Secure for 30-day cloud recording. After 3 months, subscription plans start at $2.99 per month for a single camera, and $9.99 for unlimited cameras. Number 4. Wi-i4 PC Security Home Camera. Wi-i's motion alerts and live video feeds are now equipped with the option to instantly involve Noonlight's certified emergency dispatchers, who coordinate with police, fire, and EMS agencies on customers' behalf to ensure the situation is promptly handled. Access your camera with our mobile app anytime and anywhere, more flexible with home and away mode. Enhanced night vision 8 individual 940nm infrared LEDs, which automatically turns on infrared, IR, in low light conditions. Supports Wi-Fi Cloud to avoid the risk of losing footage from a microSD memory card, and ensures all recorded video is safe, secure, and protected. Number 5. Swan 8-channel for camera security system. This professional quality DVR security system detects moving warm objects, like people and cars, triggering recording and push notifications so you can act immediately to prevent unwanted activity. Store months of video footage onto the massive 1 TB hard drive with no additional costs, and upload footage to the cloud by linking your DVR to your own Dropbox account. This professional quality DVR security system detects moving warm objects, like people and cars, triggering recording and push notifications so you can act immediately to prevent unwanted activity. Compatible with Alexa enabled, also compatible with Google Assistant and Chromecast.